Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss one more time intelligence function, that is end of month. Now for end of month, what first let's go to our date table. In the date table we have created quite a few columns. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new column which is end of month. Now end of month we have two alternates. So first alternate, which is we have the time intelligence function end of month, and that required a continuous state. So we have this, let's say, end month, and we have end of month. Okay, in end of month we'll give date of date, and this is going to give. Now just like we have mentioned in all of our previous videos, if the end month date is not available, then it is going to take the last date. So let's go ahead and modify our calendar. So let's, our calendar does not end on this one, so let it end on 29th. So if we look at the last month, that's where the difference is going to come out. It is going to end on 29th because the date is not available and it requires continuous date. Now for end of month, we one more stuff we have, which is EO month. Now we will use EO month and see the difference. So now let's call it end month custom. And here we are going to use EO month. And in the EO month, we'll give date of date, and then we are going to give 0. Means we can go in future, we can go into past by giving -1 in the past last month, +1 in the next month, and keep on varying that plus and minus to get different months. But this is how we are going to do it. So let's use EO month. And with the EO month, the first thing, definitely the first month is going to be complete because we have continuous date. Let's go to the last month, and you see here EO month is not dependent on the date, whether it is there on calendar or not. Now similarly, let's say I have a month which is ending on 28th, on month which is ending on 27th. So what I can do is simply here go ahead and say -2. So 2 days before. Now it is not going to make it 20 uh, uh, 9th or 27th as a fixed date. It is -2 days of the month end. But if I would like to say, let's say 28th of every month, then what I have to do is I have to do it as -1. Means I go to the last month and then I say plus 28. Now it is going to end all the month on 28th. Okay, so now if you scroll down, you see all the months are ending at 20. What happened if I make it 0 and -2? Let's again do it. We have not scrolled and see in that case. Let's see in this case what will happen. So now if I go and see, this is 29, this is 28, again 29. So this is 2 days before, and that is last month plus add 28 days for the end of month. So you need to be very careful what you're giving. But yes, end of EO month is much more powerful and can give you much more powerful start of the month and end of the month which you require. You just need to know what you need, and you can create your custom calendar with the help of this one. So go ahead and try both these functions out. Do let us know what else you want to see in this series. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Thank